The Buldak is back on the menu, boys. Welcome to a new Consumer Goods review. After a long break, we finally have another Buldak hot chicken flavored ramen noodle. Yes, and this one is Habanero Lime. Seems to be some kind of Mexican themed ramen noodle. Made in Korea, of course. And here's the nutrients if anyone is interested. Seems pretty good to me. We have some protein, some fibers, 3 grams of fiber per serving. That's okay to me. And this one actually has 2 different ways of making it. So you can microwave it or you can put boiling hot water. I think we're gonna go with the hot water method because that's the way most people will eat it. So first, step number 1. Open the lid halfway. Ooh, look. Here we have the Buldak, the sauce. It doesn't come with any flavorings. That's weird. I thought they said here that open it halfway, remove the sauce packet. So they guide you to remove the sauce packet separately. So they think people are this stupid that people just leave it here and then put hot water. So I thought the sauce packet and the after one add the sauce is like separate sauce like the flavoring, but I guess not. But anyway, we have to put water. It doesn't have the markings inside but outside around here. So let me get some water fast. Hold on. Hot water coming too. Ooh. Nice. So you cannot actually see the line, so it is a little bit hard. They should have added the line also inside, so you can see easily where to put it. I guess that's about it. So I have to close the lid. Let's use this camera to close it. Nice, and wait 4 minutes. Yeah, thank you. Okay, it's been about 4 minutes. It's time to drain the water. And look, this is smart. You don't need any tools to drain the water. You just poke hole here and you can just get rid of the water like this. Look, boom, boom, boom. Now there's a hole for water to drain, but be careful because you might burn your hands. Time to get rid of the water. You just drain it like this. Be careful not to burn your fingers. Ooh, see? It's coming out, but it's coming out very slowly. Slowly but surely. It's stuck. I don't know. I think we have to poke the holes a little bit bigger. Okay, now we're talking. Seems like some ramen is also coming out. By the way, sorry for the mess. I hadn't had time to run this because I've been working every day in my boring ass job. Please like and share these videos because I don't want to go work again. I just want to do YouTube videos, so it helps you a lot to like the videos. Thank you. Imagine if you release your finger here, all of your ramen will go to the drain, so be careful about that. Oh, we got the water out. Nice. Now we just add the hot sauce and we are ready to eat. Oh, Buldak sauce. This is spicy. I can sense it through this packaging. Oh, look how thick this is. It's much thicker than other Buldak sauces I have ever seen. Damn. Is this normal? Or is this expired or something? I don't know. It is actually a couple of months old, but I mean, it shouldn't be like this. If there's any Buldak experts, please comment below. Is this normal to have it like this? I really don't know, man. But it doesn't look normal. Well, we're still gonna eat it, okay? I didn't do the beginning of the video for nothing. I'm gonna finish this, okay? Who cares if it's expired Buldak? Like, food is food. You have to enjoy it. You have to savor it. You have to respect the food, because people in Africa don't have any food, so you don't throw food to the waste. Well, it's looking pretty good in my opinion, so I'm gonna finish eating it. It's time for the truth. Let's eat. Buldak Habanero Lime. Taste any good? The smell is definitely different from the other Buldak ramen, so I have a high hope for this, even though the sauce was a little bit fishy. Like, is this actually expired? Like, it's not that old, it's only a couple months best before date, so it can't go like bad in just a couple months. Ooh. They have a lot of these veggies here. I like, they didn't save on the veggies, so I guess it's the lime and habanero. By the way, I'm using iPhone 3G box as a stand. That's how good this setup is. Best setup on YouTube. Okay, I got my sticks all messy already. Damn. Well, it doesn't matter. It's gonna get messy anyway, so let's take a bite of Buldak Habanero Lime and see if it's spicy. Yummy. The lime is hitting instantly. Wow. It's much more sweet than other Buldak. So good. They didn't lie when they put lime picture on the cover, because it has a lot of lime. I like it. And the spiciness, it's tolerable level. I think it's like 1x Buldak, same level. I was missing this flavor. So good. Ooh. This is one of the most flavorful Buldak in my opinion, because the lime is just so real. Like, I expected to get factory, like industrial fake lime flavor, but it really feels like they have some kind of real lime here. How is that possible? Ooh, I wonder what would happen if you make this in microwave. Would it be different? I don't know. Maybe next time. I have this another one here for next time. Let's see what ingredients they have. Redefined palm oil. Palm oil. I heard that's bad for you. Or is it just a myth? I don't know. If you're not spice head, this is good beginner Buldak in my opinion. It's not spicy, it's not burning so much, I mean. You can eat this without any milk, for example. The soup is onion, chili pepper, powdered soy, artificial chicken flavor, soybean oil, onion powder, tomato powder, yeast powder, chili powder, vinegar. So many powders. I can't believe. Hold on, I'm getting a call. I'm gonna answer the call. 1 second. Sorry, I got a call. It's an emergency, so I have to finish this fast. Yum, 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 Buldak. Yeah, back to the ingredients. It says may include mustard, nut, peanuts, sesame seeds, soy products, gluten. There's so many allergens here, so if you have allergy, don't eat this, I guess. But to be honest, it's just a law thing. They may contain everything, just so they can, like, don't have any responsibility if something happens. Ooh, damn, it's so good. I didn't find the lime here. I'm trying to look in the lime here for a long time, but they don't have lime in the ingredients. They have green tea flavor oil, but not lime. Yellow pale pepper oil also, like, ooh, lime flavor. They have lime flavor, so it's not like real lime, just lime flavor. But it tastes so real. How is that possible? I'm loving this Buldak. Thank you, Buldak makers, for making this flavor. This is good Buldak ramen. The box is empty. Wow, I wasn't expecting to be this good. I was expecting to be much more spicy and less enjoyable because the heat, but it was not too much heat. So also one of the most refreshing and exotic Buldak flavors because it's so fresh, it's so sweet. The lime is making it sweet. I highly recommend this. Inspiration from Mexico, Korean and Mexicans coming together and making this good flavored ramen noodles. I like that. Ooh, I'm gonna go ahead and give this 9.4 out of 10. Okay, 9.4 out of 10. It's almost perfect. Bonus points from easy to make. It's super easy to make. You just put water and holes here, and it's a fast snack. It doesn't have to cool down a lot like the other Buldak noodles. Also, you don't have to use the pot and then you have to make dishes because that's annoying. You know, the Buldak sauce, it's sticking so much to the pans, it's annoying to get off. But this, you just throw this to the recycling bin and boom, your problem is away. Easy mode. But yeah, 9.4 for the Buldak Habanero Lime. I like it a lot. Recommend it for you too. I'm gonna put Amazon link below if you wanna buy this. And yeah, as always, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next epic consumer goods expert review. Thanks for watching. I gotta go now. Emergency.